Hey guys, it's Angela. Gonna do a quick pour today with a couple new toys. Well, one new toy. I bought two from JackedEarthFineArts on Etsy. This is the first one I got, and I'll put in a text box up here what exactly this is called. I think it's called a diffuser. In an attempt to hopefully make cleanup a little bit easier, I actually coated this in a layer of thick glossy nail polish because I didn't think resin on this plastic would be any good. And I haven't touched this one, but this is another kind of fun pour through piece that I also bought. So, but I think I'm going to try this one today on a 12 by 12 on my cake spinner. So, I'm feeling a bit of purples this morning, and yeah, so I'm going to fill up a cup and pour on this, and let's see what we can make. Okay, so you probably saw there was like this white square from the center of this, which, by the way, putting the clear nail polish on this totally helped. It cleaned off really well, and you can see on the back where I didn't put the clear nail polish, where it's still kind of stuck to it. So, yeah, kind of neat. Made it really easy to clean off. Anywho, so because this was here, I think because I spun it, and because I probably didn't have quite enough paint, it left like a gaping hole. So I tried to like fill it, and I don't like this glob in the middle. So I'm going to kind of, what I think I'm going to do is do like a little bit of a black hole, but, with a little bit of a twist. So this is mostly dry, so this is going to go on top. Hopefully I don't totally ruin this painting, because I've already contacted the guy from Jacked Earth to tell him that, you know, I'm working on this, and that I hope to post it. So he's expecting a post on YouTube. So hopefully this is actually being seen. Okay, I decided I don't like this. Has nothing to do with the the little gadget, but I'm gonna do a second one because yeah. So I still think I could salvage this somehow. So it's not all for naught, but I think I can still do something with this, but yeah. We're gonna do another one. So just gonna plop that on there, and just gonna check and see if we're level. Cup is a bit more full. Here we go.